All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today I got a new tool. The Autel MS908SP for programming, because it comes with a J-box. Now, I paid for this tool. My money, I bought it from AES Wave. Carlos and George are great guys to deal with. They support the industry, so we need to support them. And when it comes to purchasing Autel, you have to make sure you're from an authorized American, United States distributor. If not, you may wind up with issues with warranty of the tool, updates, etc. So make sure you buy from an authorized Autel USA dealer, which they are. If you guys saw my rant on Snap-on, you know they've kind of pissed me off. Well, pissing me off made me upgrade the Autel. Now you guys probably know I have an Autel Maxisys Mini. It's old, I haven't updated it in a while. It's a great tool, but for me, the form factor, this little tablet, for what I use it for, it just kind of, it kind of winds up laying places instead of actually where I can see the data. So it's not my go-to tool for that reason, the form factor alone. And the battery's getting weak and it's getting old. It's slowed down a good bit. I've had it for a number of years, so I went ahead and upgraded to, the Mac Daddy from the Autel line. And after I've had a good bit of time using it, as I always do, I update you on the tool. Now, Friday's video will be a straight up speed test of the Autel versus the Snap-on, and we'll see how that goes. Because time is money in this business. So, hope you like my new tool. Something to look forward to. Some reviews of the Autel. And hopefully, eventually, I'll do a new video comparing all the scan tools together, including the launch. I got to buy that one yet. So, hope you like this video. If you like my new tool, give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Maybe you don't like Autel, you prefer Launch, or you prefer Snap-on. Let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.